Hey loves, come with me as I quick celebrate my birthday together with my boyfriend. So ayan yung outfit ko for that day. Around 7:30 p.m. Nagkita kami ng jowa ko and we decided na kumain muna bago kami mag-ikot-ikot sa mall. It's already 7:55 p.m. Nakahanap kami ng makakainan and I forgot the name of the fast food restaurant but sobrang sarap ng chicken nila and meron silang mga different flavors ng chicken. They have garlic, cheese powder, and etc. So, ayan yung boyfriend ko. Before 9 p.m., we decided na gumala sa taas sa may Sky Garden sa Gateway 2 Mall. And I can say na sobrang comfortable ng place, ang ganda ng ambience, and maaliwala siya. And by the way guys, merong kapihan dyan, yung pick up coffee na buy one take one. Around 9:30 p.m., I decided na umuwi na since yung jowa ko is a call center agent, meron pa siyang work. So, ayan ako habang naglalakad. Sobrang 10 p.m. when I decided to do my skincare routine. Ayan lang po. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.